Hi everyone, welcome back to Success Seat YouTube channel, your ultimate destination for placement updates and career guidance. There is a big update from TCS. If your dream is to land a job at a top MNC like TCS, and if you regret missing the TCS NQT, then this is your golden ticket. Registrations for TCS CodeVita Season 13 are officially open. And in this video, I will cover the eligibility criteria, the complete process, the details of the rounds, tips for the preparation. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Generally, TCS hires the freshers in two ways. One is TCS NQT, a standard test for mass hiring, and another one is TCS CodeVita, a global level coding competition. If you are someone who is passionate about programming or coding and missed out on NQT, CodeVita is your second chance. Right now, registrations are live. But before that, let's see the eligibility criteria. If you are graduating or post-graduating in any stream of science or engineering in any recognized institution globally, and you are completing your course in 2026 to 2029, then you are eligible for CodeVita. So yes, whether you are in India or abroad, you can take part. What's in it for students? By participating in CodeVita, you are not just coding, you are unlocking a chance to win 20,000 USD in prizes, a global platform to compete with the top coders, a huge opportunity to get noticed by TCS, and finalists will be invited to India for the grand finale. Now going to the process, the first step is registration. Visit the official CodeVita website, click on the register button and complete the process. Now step 2, MockVitas. These are practice rounds that simulate the actual contest. Help you understand the platform, timer and question format. Highly recommended to gain clarity and confidence before round 1. Third step is actual rounds. Let's talk about the real challenge. In round 1, you will get 6 coding problems, duration of 6 hours. Even if you solve just one question, you might get shortlisted for round 2. Don't use AI tools like ChatGPT. Plagiarism is strictly checked. Write your own code. In the round 2, again 6 questions in 6 hours, but with a slightly higher difficulty. Only students who qualify in round 1 are eligible. TCS shortlist the candidates from this round for further evaluation. Now final step is finale. Top performers get invited to the season 13 grand finale in India. Winners receive prize money and huge recognition. TCS conduct interviews for selected candidates after round 2. Interviews are usually face to face and they test both your coding as well as technical skills. Now finally, going to the tips to maximize your chances. First thing is practice sample questions from the CodeVita site. Take MockVita seriously, treat it like a real test. Practice DSA. Avoid copying the code, do it yourself. Consistency is a key. Even solving one question can make a difference. That's everything you need to know about TCS CodeVita Season 13. From eligibility to finale. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, drop your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Success Seat for more such updates. All the best for the CodeVita. Go grab this golden opportunity and make your mark.